Did you know only 5% of seniors over 70 can do these 5 simple things? What if I told you that your best years might still be ahead, even after 70? That aging doesn't have to mean decline, but instead, it could mark the beginning of a stronger, more purposeful life? Stick with me, because what you'll learn today might change your outlook forever. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs encouragement, leave a comment with your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button for more powerful content every week. The floor test, what it really means for your longevity. Imagine sitting down on the floor and then getting up without using your hands or any help. Sounds easy, right? But here's the shocker. Only 1 in 20 seniors over 70 can do it. This simple motion isn't just about mobility, it's a full body wellness check. Your ability to rise from the floor without assistance requires strength, especially in your quads and glutes, core stability, balance, joint flexibility, and coordination. A study published in the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology found that seniors who could do this unassisted had significantly lower mortality risk. If getting up is tough, don't worry. This isn't a failure, it's a message. Start small. Sit and stand from a low surface daily. Use yoga mats, soft carpets, or support at first. You'll be surprised how quickly progress can come. My own grandmother started practicing this at 74, and within months, her energy and confidence skyrocketed. She now gets up off the floor without hesitation because she worked on it. Hit that like button if you believe it's never too late to get stronger. Share your progress in the comments. I'd love to cheer you on. Grip strength. Why carrying groceries could save your life. Let's talk about something seemingly mundane, carrying groceries. Did you know your grip strength is one of the most powerful predictors of future health? A study in The Lancet found that reduced grip strength was associated with a 16% higher risk of death from any cause. This isn't just about your hands. Carrying a bag calls on your forearms, shoulders, back, and core. Weak grip? It's harder to open jars, walk with balance, or maintain independence. Try this. Squeeze a tennis ball daily, or lift light dumbbells or resistance bands. Even hanging from a pull-up bar for a few seconds helps. The goal isn't brute strength, it's resilience. Real-world tip. Add a grip test into your routine. Can you carry a bag of groceries from the car without rest? If not, that's your starting line, not the finish. Like, comment, or tag someone who's still carrying their groceries with pride, and let's celebrate that strength. The Stairway Test. What stairs say about your heart and health? Do you avoid stairs? You're not alone, but maybe you shouldn't. Climbing stairs without stopping is a strong predictor of heart and lung health. In fact, researchers from the European Society of Cardiology found that people who couldn't climb 4 flights in under 90 seconds were more likely to suffer heart complications. Avoiding stairs often signals declining leg strength, joint stability, and cardiovascular endurance. But stairs don't have to be feared. They can be a tool. Start by using them once a day. Add a few step-ups during commercial breaks. Even walking uphill or on a slight incline activates similar muscles and can gently build stamina over time. If stairs have been a challenge for you, drop a comment below. What's holding you back? Let's work through it together. Memory that moves you. Keeping your brain sharp after 70. Forgetfulness isn't inevitable. Your brain is like a muscle. It weakens when unused. One test? Try remembering 5 random words. Easy? Great. Tough? Time to work that mind. According to Harvard Health, cognitive decline is closely linked to inactivity, both physical and mental. Crossword puzzles, brain games, even learning new languages stimulate your hippocampus, the part of the brain tied to memory. Scientific fact, regular aerobic exercise has been shown to increase the size of the hippocampus in older adults, improving memory function. Start small, read challenging material, debate topics with friends, or try a new hobby that requires learning steps. What's your favorite brain exercise? Comment below and share your top tip for staying sharp. The power of purpose. Why meaning keeps you alive longer. Here's the most overlooked but powerful part of aging well. Having a reason to wake up. A study in JAMA Network Open revealed that older adults with a strong sense of purpose we're 2.4 times more likely to avoid Alzheimer's and live significantly longer. Whether it's volunteering, mentoring, gardening, or simply being there for loved ones, purpose fuels longevity. My personal belief? Purpose is the soul's exercise. When your day has meaning, your body responds with vitality. Action. Step. Take 5 minutes today to write down what lights you up. What would you still do, even if no one paid you? That's your purpose knocking. If this part hit home, share your purpose in the comments. Let others be inspired by what keeps you going. Final thoughts. What happens when you choose to thrive at any age? These 5 things: getting up off the floor, carrying groceries, climbing stairs, staying mentally sharp, and having purpose, aren't about perfection. They're signals. They tell us where we are and where we can go. Aging doesn't mean giving up, it means leveling up, with awareness, small daily habits, and a belief that your story isn't over. If this message moved you, please like, comment your favorite takeaway, share this video with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more uplifting content every week. Remember, you're not fading. You're rising, stronger, steadier, and more alive than ever.